Hello, ServiceNow community. I'm Amit Gujrathi and welcome to the ServiceNow Social Podcast. Today, we are diving into something incredible close to our heart, a journey that started with an idea and now blossomed into a thriving community. I couldn't do this alone. Let me introduce to my co-host and my partner in this interview, Sujan Dutta. Together, we have been on a mission to make ServiceNow Social a space for knowledge sharing, networking, and real ground level problem solving. So, what is ServiceNow Social? So ServiceNow Social is more than just a group. It's a family within ServiceNow domain. Sujan and I created a platform as a safe haven for professions to share their knowledge, seek advice, and discuss all things ServiceNow without any fear of judgment. Our core principle, penalty-free and presentation-free discussion. That means no recorded session, no pressure to present, and complete freedom to explore challenges and solutions openly. Whether you are seasoned professional or just starting your ServiceNow journey, this is a place to connect and grow. So, why did we start ServiceNow Socials? Sujan and I noticed that while there are countless resources and forums out there, very few addresses the ground level challenge professionals face every day. We wanted to create a space where people could discuss real world problem, exchange practical solution, and build genuine connection without any formalities often associated with traditional forums. And thus, ServiceNow Social was born. So, as most of the people was we knowing, our tagline is a principle. Our tagline is penalty free and presentation free discussion. Perfectly encapsulate what we stand for. This group is about creating a supportive and open environment where no question is too basic or too complicated. Everyone has a voice. And also, uh, learning happens through collaboration, not lectures. We just hate lectures, okay? Because all those lectures mm, we can find easily on the YouTube and all. So, what are our achievements so far? So, we are thrilled to share that we have completed an incredible 33. We last week we have recorded 34th episode of Service Now Social. It's been a journey filled with insightful conversation, shared laughter, and mutual growth. The love and support we have received from the community have been overwhelming and deeply humbling. So let's look to our future plans. So we are planning for in-person meetups. So we have always believed in the power of face-to-face interaction. They foster stronger connection, spark more meaningful discussion, and create memories that last a lifetime. That's why we are taking the next big step, ServiceNow Socials in-person meetup. We call it as social get-together. Our first ever in-person gathering is happening on 30th November 2024 in Pune. We are beyond excited to meet the amazing Pune folks who have been part of this journey. This isn't just an event, it's a chance to bring a virtual connection into a real world. And we'll be extending this out to other cities also as soon as possible. To all the listeners, thank you for making ServiceNow Social what it is today. Sujan and I incredibly grateful for your support, and I can't wait to meet many many of you in person in Pune. So let's keep the spirit of open, penalty-free discussion alive and thriving. Until next time, keep learning, keep sharing, and remember, we are all in this together. Thank you.